In this video, you'll see how to search the internet using a picture. It's called a reverse image search, and I'm going to show you how it works on a computer. Here's a post widely shared in French that claims that this photo shows the Pope wearing an LGBTQ cross. So let's use a reverse image search to see if that's true. You can use different browsers to run a reverse image search, like Bing, Yandex, or Google. On Bing, for example, on the right of the search field, you have the little camera icon directly. When you click on it, it gives you the option to upload a picture by dragging and dropping it, or by browsing your computer. Yandex and Google work similarly, but for those browsers, you need to first select their images versions. So when you find an image you want to search for, you can download or screenshot it, both work. In this post, I'm going to choose to download this image because it includes the Pope and the cross and the most visual context. By right-clicking, I can choose to save the image, and now I'm going to search for the image using Yandex. In the results, I'm going to scroll through and try to find the most reliable source. And here we have one that looks promising. It's a tweet from an account called Vatican News. If I visit the website, I can see it's the official news site of the Holy See. And if I go back to the tweet, I can see that just below the original post, the Vatican has linked to an article about the cross that the Pope is wearing. I'm going to click on the article. And because I don't read Spanish very well, I'm going to have my browser translate the page to English. And there I can see that I'm on the website of the Latin American Youth Ministry, and that this cross is a symbol of that organization. There's a whole explanation about what each color of the cross symbolizes. This tutorial is based on an investigation published on AFP's French language fact-check site Factuel. You can read it by clicking on the link in the description of the video, and you can use your browser's translate function if you don't read French. I hope you found this video useful. Don't hesitate to leave questions in the comments section, and for more in-depth explanations of web-based tools for journalists and journalism students, check out AFP's online courses at digitalcourses.afp.com.